Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we will discuss the common PG entrance test for environmental science from question number 1 to 35. So first question number 1. Out of the following, which greenhouse gas has the highest global warming potential? So option D is the correct one, that is CFC. Question number 2. The four major layers from ground surface to upward of atmospheres are. The answer is that is the troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere and thermosphere. So option D is the correct one. Question number 3. Functional unit of ecology is the ecosystem. So option C is the correct one. Question number 4. The electromagnetic radiation with maximum wavelength. The electromagnetic radiation which have the maximum wavelength is the radio waves. Option B is the correct one. Question number 5. Planktons in water bodies belong to which group? So they don't belongs to any plants or animal. So option D is the correct one. That is none of the above. Question number 6. Two water samples A and B shows the pH 6 and 3 respectively. How many times the hydrogen ion concentration B is more than A? So option D is the correct one, that is 1000 times more. Question number 7. Which of the following chemical is used to disinfect water? The option B is the correct one, that is chlorine. So chlorine gas is used as disinfectant in water. Question number 8. World Earth Day is celebrated every year on 22nd April. So option A is the correct one. And the theme for 2020 is the climate action. Question number 9. Organisms that mineralizes organic matter in an ecosystem is called decomposers. That is option C is the correct one. Question number 10. Which pair of gases are primary pollutants? So option A is the correct one, that is nitric oxide and hydrocarbons. Question number 11. 1 calorie is equivalent to 4.184 joule, that is 4.2 joule. So option B is the correct one. Question number 12. Symbiotic nitrogen fixation is associated with the bacteria. So option B is the correct one, that is rhizobium. Question number 13. The first law of thermodynamics is correctly represented by the equation. Option D is the correct one, that is delta E is equal to Q plus W. Question number 14. Radioactive substances emit all of the three, that is alpha, beta and gamma rays. So option D is the correct one. Question number 15. A biological community is, option A is the correct one, that is the collection of species. Question number 16. Energy in the sun is generated mainly by means of fission of helium atom. So option B is the correct one. Question number 17. The powerful eye irritant present in the smoke is the peroxyacetyl nitrate. So PAN, that is the option C is the correct one. Question number 18. Isotopes of an element have the same number of protons in the nucleus. So option A is the correct one. Question number 19. The nitrogen from the atmosphere is absorbed by the plant in the form of nitrates. Option A is the correct one. Question number 20. Acidity in rain water is due to, option B is the correct one, that is H2SO4 and HNO3. Question number 21. In the explosion of atom bomb, energy is released due to the conversion of mass into energy. So option A is the correct one. Question number 22. The noise pollution is measured by means of decibel. That is the option D is the correct one. Question number 23. Which one of the following is a major pollutant in aluminum smelter plants? So most probably the fluoride is the major pollutant. So option D is the correct one. Question number 24. A hydroelectric station generates electricity by utilizing potential energy of water. So option A is the correct one. Question number 25. One example of metamorphic rock is marble. Most probably marble. Option C is the correct one. Question number 26. The major source of water used by plants. So that is the capillary water. So option A is the correct one. Question number 27. In centrifugation, the migration of compound away from the center of the axis depends on molecular size, effective radius of the rotor head, and angular velocity. So option D is the correct one. Question number 28. The direct change from solid to gaseous state is referred to as, so that is the heat of sublimation. That is the option C is the correct one. Question number 29. Plants that grow in saline soils are called halophytes. Option D is the correct one. Question number 30. Aerosols means finely divided solids and liquid particles of microscopic size. So option C is the correct one. Question number 31. The book authored by Rachel Carson is, that is the Silent Spring. Option A is the correct one. Question number 32. An ore is composed of, option C is the correct one, that is ore minerals and gang material. Question number 33. Remote sensing can be performed in both active as well as passive mode. So option C is the correct one. Question number 34. Of a frequency distribution, the median is 21 and arithmetic mean is 22. So formula is mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. So mode will be 19. So option B is the correct one. Question number 35. A climax community is associated with the high diversity index. So option C is the correct one. So thank you all of you. Thank for watching my video. So from question number 36 to 70 we will discuss in the next video. So thank you all of you.